SIKORA measurement and control systems are known for their impressive durability. To ensure that your equipment continues to work reliably after years of use, we have extended our service portfolio. Our fixed price repairs save time and money with our fast and transparent repair service. With SIKORA fixed price repairs, you'll get an instant price, no waiting and no hidden costs. Plus, you can stick to your schedule. Our fixed price repairs are available for many of our products, including the laser, lump, spark and fiber series. It's that simple. Report the device fault, receive the fixed price offer, send in the device, have it repaired and get it back. Quick and easy.